Today we are going to unbox the Hammer Performance 1250 kit. I bought the basic kit, just the cylinders and the pistons pre-assembled and everything, and later down the road I'll probably do the cams too, maybe some more stuff, but for now we're going to just start with this. We're going to start nice and easy, and then we're going to move forward. As many of you know, the 883 is quick, it's fast, but on the highway, stuff like that, riding, it just kind of... So I've decided to put the 1250 kit in there, make it a bigger engine. It's snowing! We got cylinder 1, cylinder 2, a warning, and the extra goodies. So I did order some extra spark plugs for it. They're colder and detonate easier with the new kit. These are spark plugs that I already have at Harley Davidson, but okay. Some stickers, sweet. Always love some stickers. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, another sticker. Okay. More snow. Cannot have enough snow. This is the clutch spring. And then we've got the gaskets. Sweet. So we've got the goodie box open, gaskets, clutch spring, spark plugs. Now I thought the instructions were going to come with the install kit, but I guess Hammer Performance sends you this link. So I will go to that link and print out the instructions. But let's, without getting too deep into this, let's open up these boxes and take a quick look at the cylinders. Oh yeah, there it is. So I did go the pre-assembled route with the pistons already in the cylinders, ready to go. Looks very nice. Quality stuff, guys, quality stuff. I'm not going to open this plastic part just because I'm going to leave it for the text and I don't want to damage anything. I don't want to rip this because it has the link to the kit instructions. So if you order a kit from Hammer Performance, this is how it's going to come. Looks very nice. They did a good, safe job packaging and assembling them. Overall, I'm pretty happy with what I see. Has a very certain smell to it. Smells like metal. But yeah, so that's it for this video. We've unboxed it. I'm gonna package everything back up just like it came so I can bring it to the shop. And the next video I'll try to get some footage of them installing the kit, and looking forward to seeing how it runs. Like I said, I'm gonna get a GoPro and motovlog it. But yeah, that's what Hammer Performance 1250 bolt-on big bore kit looks like, and what it looks like when they send it to you. Good stuff.